Hey everybody, welcome to Recumbent Bike Garage. This is going to be the first video on my channel, and today I would like to go ahead and install a safety flag for my trike, and I'll be installing it with a safety flag mount that I got from Amazon. I think this red color should really pop on that blue paint that you saw on the trike over here. Before we do that, I'd just like to go over a little bit of history I have with this trike. My aunt gave it to me, and I was talking to her about it, and she said that she got this originally in 2008. So what is that now? Like 18 years ago now? Pretty long time ago. Anyway, the thing's actually held up pretty well for considering its age. It's been garage kept kind of in one spot most of its life. I think really I put the most miles on it compared to my aunt. When I first got it from my aunt, I had to replace the tires with some brand new ones because the old ones were just dry cracked and falling apart because it's been sitting for so long, and sitting for a long time for a tire is just not good for it. It just dries out the rubber. I also went through and cleaned up all the gears in there, all the cogs and little bits, and did the same for this up here. I washed this chain up, and I washed the frame when I first got it from my aunt. Anyway, let's jump right into installing this flag bracket. Alrighty, so I have the bracket here. It came with some extra sizes to put on your bike frame, and here's the actual bracket itself right there. So let's go ahead and get her installed. I guess the first thing I'm going to do is just see if this thing will even fit on there initially with the size of, I guess I'll call it O-ring in this middle here, or spacer. The size of spacer that's on here already. Just gonna go ahead and undo this bolt. All right, there it is, I got it out. Let's go ahead and get this on the trike frame now. Just gonna put the spacer on first. Here we go. Hey, look at that. Fits on there just right. Right size. And there we go. I think I want to install it facing this way, because then when I take that flag, I can have it up out of the way, and so it's not going to be near the ground or anything like that and risk it getting caught in anything. Alright, so let's just go ahead and get this washer in there, and then the screw. Now before I go tightening this all down, I'm going to install that flag into that hole there and angle the flag accordingly. Alrighty, I'm back with some hardware for the flag. Just going to put a washer on top of this first, just like that. Give you the camera's view here. And then we're going to stick it onto these right into that mounting bracket. Another washer right inside of here. Oh geez. Okay. And then, last but not least, this nut on there. So we'll stay there for the moment. Okay. We'll be right back. I'm gonna grab some tools. Alright, I'm back with my wrenches now. Get this thing installed. On the top, on the bottom. Hopefully you guys can see this. Sorry if you can't. I'm using my phone right now to record, so I have no idea what I'm looking at or what the camera's looking at. This nut is a lot harder to turn than I thought it was going to be. Come on, get on there. There we go. Oh jeez. I'll tell you what, guys. When this thing gets tightened down all the way, this flag isn't going anywhere. This nut is like really tight. It's because of one of those nylon lock nuts. All right, I came back with an actual wrench now. Maybe this will help me out. Oh, there we go. That's much better. Now we're cooking. Come on, wrench. What are you doing? Try again. We're so close. A couple more turns left and we'll be tightened down. Oh, what? We still have so much to go. Oh, jeez. Oh, hold on, guys. Let me just get this thing tightened down and I'll bring you back when I'm done. Well, guys, big fail. The nut, or excuse me, the bolt snapped in the process of getting it tightened down onto this bracket there. It's all because of this stupid nylon lock nut. It takes so much freaking force to get it on there. I might have to just go with some traditional lock washers and flat washers next time. Guess I can either try to find a bolt that has a hole in it for this flag, or get a whole new flag for the thing on Focus Up. So anyway, guys, hopefully in my next video I can get this thing actually installed. And until then, see you guys next time.